Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSjams. In today's video, I will show you how to add Face Unlock on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Setting app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Next, tap on Biometrics. If you already have a PIN, password or etc., just enter to continue. Now tap on Face Recognition. This feature lets you unlock your phone using your face. And now tap continue, then follow the instructions on the screen. Place your face inside the circle and keep looking at the screen while your phone scans your face. Wait until the scans reach 100%. For better results, slowly move your head up, down, left and right if asked. And once the scan is finished, you can choose how you want to use face recognition. Make sure the unlock phone option is turned on. If you want to unlock your phone with your face, just make sure that it is on. Now go back and your face will be registered successfully. To test it, lock your phone and then look at the screen. Your phone should unlock automatically using face unlock. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to TechSjams for more helpful tech videos. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.